Geraldton, on the shores of the Indian Ocean, 300 miles north of Perth. Beyond lies a vast area that is only now being tamed, 2/3 of Western Australia. Geraldton, major supply town to the developing north of Australia's largest state. Key town in an area of vast mineral and rural potential. The town is linked to Perth by air as well as road, rail and sea, and its airport serves a district of 24,000 square miles. (1850) population 7. 1950 population 7,000. Today, more than 12,000 people live here. Geraldton is on the move. Friday morning in early summer, and the arrival of the daily service from Perth commences the working day of Mr. Charles Eden Clark, fueling agent and storekeeper. Summer, in a climate made temperate by the sea. Average maximum summer temperature, 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Average difference between summer and winter, 11 degrees. Refueled, another aircraft is on the way to meet its northern schedule. For the Eden Clark children, there's another early morning schedule to be met, for the 6 weeks midsummer holidays haven't yet begun. In the Civic Centre, as the busy day is beginning, there are other schedules to be met. This is the sort of town where a fueling agent and storekeeper is also the mayor. With the opening formalities of the council meeting concluded, the people of Geraldton, together with their leading citizen, move into another day.
And that concludes the correspondence for this morning. And the main item that we wish to discuss now is the regional hospital. Now, the contractors have nearly completed stage 2 and will soon be pouring the concrete for stage 3.
With the needs of the town, as well as those of the surrounding district to supply, building is Geraldton's largest employer of labour, covering every trade in the industry. Homes are of primary importance and have to be built fast to keep pace with the growing population. Child welfare centres, primary and secondary schools assure parents that the future health and educational needs of their children will be well cared for. The state provides free education to the completion of secondary school, parents paying only for necessary books and uniforms. From this state high school, or from one of Geraldton's 2 private colleges, students can gain entrance to the university in Perth or begin their apprenticeship to local industry. The Cray fishing industry particularly is of importance to the economy of the town. Almost 400 registered fishing craft, many built in Geraldton, operate seasonally between the coastal fishing grounds and the Abrolhos Islands, 40 miles offshore. While the boat moves to the next pot, the catch is sorted and bagged, ready for delivery to one of Geraldton's processing factories. Here they are cleaned, packed and frozen, ready for export. But although the sea is rich, the bulk of Geraldton's wealth lies in the produce of the land, sheep and grain.
At £5.16, I get a kilometre. At £5.16, and I go. On the cellar. Wait for you. 1 more.
The port of Geraldton is a pipeline through which the district obtains the sulphur and phosphate essential to its rural development, supplying in return wool, sheep, grain, crayfish and tomatoes.
All right, bring it down. Slow.
Friday moves towards the afternoon. Women shop for the weekend's needs. The working week is coming to its close, and Geraldton prepares for the weekend and relaxation. Geraldton's sporting facilities are many and varied.
Oh, beautiful, lovely. Oh, very nice.
At the town hall, it is nearing curtain time for a local musical comedy production. Saturday night is traditionally the time for meeting friends, perhaps at a local restaurant. While for less formal occasions, there are the clubs and hotels. But those who relax employing skills learned working the land have their counterparts in those who derive their living from the sea. For in the harbour, small craft are being rigged for the afternoon's racing. Geraldton, on the shores of the Indian Ocean. Rural and yet at one with the sea. An Australian composite. 1850, population 7. 1950, population 7,000. Today, a population exceeding 12,000. Unsophisticated, yet potentially rich. Geraldton, an important town in the development of Australia.